Hey there, YouTube dreamers. Have you ever wondered just how much you can earn from vlogging on YouTube? Today, we're breaking down the numbers, tips, and insider secrets to help you understand what's possible in the exciting world of content creation. So, grab your notepad and let's get started. First off, YouTube income varies widely depending on factors like your niche, audience size, location, and engagement. Let's dive into the main revenue streams for vloggers. Ad revenue is often the first thing creators think about. You get paid through YouTube's partner program by displaying ads on your videos. CPM, or cost per thousand views, typically ranges from $1 to $20, depending on your niche and audience location. For example, channels focused on finance or tech might have a CPM of $15, while entertainment niches may average around $5. This means if your video gets 100,000 views with a $5 CPM, you'd earn around $500. Next up, sponsorships and brand deals. Once your channel gains traction, brands will pay you to feature their products. These deals can range from $100 for smaller creators to $10,000 or more for established ones. The key is building a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Here's how it works. You promote a product using a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale let you earn between 1% and 10% per sale. If a video promoting a gadget generates 1,000 sales worth $50 each, and your commission is 5%, you've just made $2,500. Don't forget about selling your own products. From merchandise to online courses, this is a fantastic way to diversify your income. Let's say you sell a $25 t-shirt and just 500 fans buy it. That's $12,500 in revenue. Memberships and crowdfunding can provide steady income. Platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships allow fans to support you directly.